What better way to come out and do my job by making content is by coming out here to beautiful St. Albert, Alberta. Hello, my name is Tara. I'm a mother of 2, full-time teacher, and I've started the Daily Pay Blueprint about a month ago. I am so happy that I found it. I get to hang out here, and this is what I do for my 2-hour workday. It changed our lives. Like, I made my return of investment within 10 days. I love it. I'm a full-time teacher, so I'm pretty excited that we have this extra income coming in. It is truly a blessing. It's a step-by-step program that teaches you everything that you need to know about running a business. You get your own business, your own website set up for you. It is a one-time purchase. Once you buy whatever product you want, and on the training is really an amazing program. Comment yes, and I will send it to you.